What happens to your body if you eat carrots every day? This harmless vegetable isn't healthy for everyone. Did you know that such a common and familiar vegetable as the carrot is actually a unique food? Beyond the well-known benefit of improving eyesight, carrots are a rich source of valuable vitamins and other substances that help regulate internal systems in the body. This makes them beneficial in treating liver disease, cardiovascular conditions, kidney and stomach issues, as well as chronic fatigue syndrome and sexual dysfunction. The orange root vegetable is widely used not just in the food industry, but in medicine as well. What makes carrots so nutritious? Carrots are a staple food that you'll find in meals served in homes around the world. At the same time, they're packed with essential nutrients. Here's what they contain. Carotene converts into vitamin A in the body, supports the healthy function of epithelial cells, and helps regulate reproductive health and vision. Biotin, one of the key vitamins for growth, helping promote cell renewal and involved in crucial metabolic processes like amino acid and protein metabolism. Pantothenic acid and folic acid possess anti-anemic and anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamins C, B1, B2, B3, E, K, and PP, involved in regulating many bodily functions. Phytoncides, natural antibiotics that inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. Essential oils have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Minerals, potassium, magnesium, zinc, calcium, and iodine, vital for proper body function, and since they aren't produced by the body, they must come from food. And that's not even the full list of beneficial substances. Special mention should be made of flavonoids. One particularly important flavonoid found in carrots is doccharin, which is prescribed for chronic coronary insufficiency, atherosclerosis, and angina. These substances can only be made by plants and don't accumulate in the body, so they need to be consumed regularly through food. How does eating carrots affect the human body? Carrots help prevent plaque buildup on teeth, strengthen gums, reduce the risk of cancer, enhance the immune system, support healthy gut flora, lower blood pressure, help retain calcium in bones, and can help prevent anemia. They also have diuretic and mild laxative effects, which is why they are recommended for chronic digestive issues. In modern nutrition, carrots are especially valued for their nutrient density, low calorie content, and high fiber, which aids digestion and supports a healthy metabolism. Fiber also promotes regular bowel movements and is particularly helpful for those who suffer from frequent constipation. How are carrots beneficial for men? Carrots support male reproductive health. They help lower blood sugar levels, which in turn helps restore endocrine function. They also help remove harmful cholesterol from the body. When cholesterol levels are too high, blood flow in the pelvic region can be compromised, contributing to erectile dysfunction. Common myths about carrots and their benefits. There are several popular myths surrounding the health effects of carrots. Here are a few of the most common. Carrots are high in sugar and bad for you. In reality, carrots contain a moderate amount of sugar. In fact, some of their components actually help lower blood sugar levels. Bigger carrots are healthier. Actually, the bigger the carrot, the more likely it was grown with high levels of nitrates. Carrots are equally good for everyone. That's not true. People with intestinal ulcers, diarrhea, or acute gastrointestinal inflammation should avoid eating carrots. It's also important to remember that carrots can be a potential allergen due to the proteins they contain. Carrot allergies may show up as digestive or respiratory issues, or as skin reactions, like dermatitis or itching. How to prepare, select, and store carrots. Carrots are used in soups, stews, side dishes, and even desserts. They add flavor and aroma and can enhance the taste of other ingredients. Tips for choosing quality carrots. Look for carrots with smooth skin and a vibrant orange color. They should be firm and free of visible damage. The area where the greens were attached should be a vivid green. Storage. Keep fresh carrots in the refrigerator or another cool place at 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 23 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to -5 degrees Celsius. This will help preserve their freshness for several months. What happens if you eat carrots every day? Researchers at the Mario Negri Institute for Pharmacological Research found that eating carrots reduces the risk of heart attacks by 1/3. Scottish scientists confirmed that eating 200 grams of raw carrots daily for 3 weeks can reduce cholesterol by an average of 11%. Carrots also reduce the risk of lung cancer by 40% due to their beta-carotene content. To achieve this, you only need to consume 1.7 to 2.7 milligrams of beta-carotene per day, according to British researchers. However, moderation is key. Eating large quantities of carrots isn't recommended. Also, keep in mind that carotenoids are fat-soluble, so to absorb them effectively, you should consume carrots with fats like vegetable oil or sour cream.